All right, welcome back to another video. This is going to be a short video. I just want to go ahead and explain how this AI bot works, because that's a question that a lot of people always ask me when they message me on Instagram. So simply how it works is the AI bot system uses artificial intelligence technology to automatically and accurately analyze investment and trading patterns according to specified technical settings and preset algorithms. It automatically generates and checks all preset strategies to execute trades automatically, focusing on short-term arbitrage mostly. So yeah, this bot just really scalps. Mostly that's what it does. And also it's going for 5 pips a day. People are asking, yo, how is this possible that it has a 97% win rate? Surely that can't be sustainable, right? But it's going for 5 pips a day. And if you trade, you know 5 pips a day is more than achievable. They even recommend you go for 10 to 20. Companies are going for 5 though, because they want to go ahead and go for accuracy, sustainability, and realistic actual, trades. So it's going for 5 pips. So all that needs to happen is literally like a micro movement and then profit, and they go ahead and get out. That's what they do. They don't sit around and try to go for more. It's like, let me just wait. That's the problem with a lot of people and why they fail, because of discipline. They get too greedy to try to go for 20 pips, 100 pips, and they end up blowing their account when it goes back, and they try to hold. That's just not how it works. So this bot goes in for 5 pips. Once it's done, boom, it's out. It's finished for the day. The reason why you see a lot of money from me is because it's changing the lot size depending on your capital. So if you put in $100, it's gonna have smaller lot sizes compared to putting like tens of thousands or 100,000 or more. So that's how that works. So that's why I tell people that, $100 isn't going to make you thousands a week. It's just not possible. All right, you got to be realistic here. Okay, if you have $100 at the end of the year, if you let it compound, you're gonna get like 2,000. That's just how it is. Even if you're regularly trading, you should know that that's not really possible. Now, you do see videos where they say they turn $100 to 10,000 because they increase their lot size to a crazy amount, and they kind of just playing around as like a challenge, but it's extremely, extremely risky because of the amount of pips are going and things like that. So that's not possible using this bot. This bot is trying to go for longevity, consistency, and incredible risk management. The drawdown is less than 1% here. Most bots have like a 40% drawdown, 30%, and they just can blow your account within a few bad trades, right? I've seen one have a stop loss of like 300 pips. That's insane. You're blowing your account if it hits that. Like, that's terrible in my opinion. This bot will actually exit a trade, I believe, the moment it actually hits in the red. But I actually seen like a couple months back when it did have losing trades, it was like 3 to 4. And the trades that it did lose, it was barely anything. It was literally the exact same amount, if not less, than a single winning trade, which is incredible. Risk management is how you will be profitable in the Forex market. So that's amazing. Even last week, right, when it barely got any profit, it was going down, and it actually got out before it was hitting the loss. So if you check the chart, you will see that it was actually legit about to be a losing trade, but they got out as quickly as possible, so there wasn't a losing trade, so we're still in profit. I mean, this bot is really, really impressive. Like I said, they've been testing this out for over 3 years, like I showed you guys in the last video when they said that, and you can definitely tell. Another thing that people ask me is, do you have to set anything up? Do you have to start the bot? Do you have to keep your computer running? Nope, you don't have to do anything besides sign up. Right, once you sign up, my link will be in the bio if you want to go ahead and sign up. Once you sign up, you go ahead and fund your account with Bitcoin or USDT or Tron. And after you go ahead and fund your account, you purchase and deposit at the same time. They won't let you buy the bot and not deposit, because they don't want to just take your money and you just say, yeah, I'll get it later, you forget. So they want you to actually buy the bot and then deposit so it can trade for you. So right now it's actually on sale, so it'll cost you like $170 to go ahead and purchase the bot and do the minimum deposit, but it's probably going to go back to $200 by the time you actually watch this video, if it's like weeks later, because this is supposed to be like a thing for Valentine's Day. But yeah, so about $200 to get started, and yeah, it's going to trade for you automatically Monday through Friday. It's typically around 3 times a day. I've never seen 4 trades. I did hear that it has done that before, but extremely, extremely rare. So yeah, it's traditionally just 3 trades a day that it goes for, and the target is 5 pips from what I've noticed. And in terms of returns, it's getting anywhere from like 1% to 1.5%, which is incredible for me with somebody with a higher capital. With somebody like $100, it's not gonna really notice anything. We're talking about like $1 to like $1.50 a day. But if you do let it compound, that's gonna change over time if you're patient, which is why I recommend, even if you're starting off with 100, to maybe add a couple $100 every month, right? That way you can grow your account if this thing you're seeing that is consistent. So That's just my opinion. I went ahead and just started off big because I'm like, yo, this is actually working and I want to make some money. That's why I'm making around $800 a day using this bot. But yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. If you got any questions, go ahead and let me know in the comment section down below, or you can go ahead and message me on Instagram. I'm responding to all DMs. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.